the amount of people that have spiritual problem is crazy, which is no surprise, right? I mean, everybody's Okalama, right? And while nobody's forgetting, people are maintaining their physical side, but nobody's forgetting to breathe. Nobody's forgetting to eat. Nobody's forgetting to drink. But people are forgetting to maintain their Okalamo part, their spiritual side. They contracted their spirituality, their Okalamo, to the KPMG of spirituality. That's religion. And big disclaimer, this is not to in any way say that KPMG is shit at their job. Because I mean, if you had to contract one of those two out, you should have contracted your physical out, because the spiritual governs the physical. Yes, as in I'm born agitator, but totuya. Mana, spiritual therapy is both expensive and extensive. I believe a quick fix. On now, but the real if you want to eat your cake and have a few slices back, you've got to pay up. So my semi-serious recommendation is make every family do voting. Yeah, select one member of the family will go come back house. There, those even more bone at least. Go materials, go. Maybe within DBA friends. It's not gonna get better. A lot of people have issues. Have you seen my performance at Westwood Lounge, Umoji? Check it out on YouTube and call me for your events. You know what I'm saying? Call me. I'm happy to meet with my people, yeah, and perform for you all. So call me. You know what I'm saying? Write me, call me. Let's arrange something and I'll come through. Yeah, and stream Umoto. Cheers. Okay,
DJ, are you ready for it? I'm ready for it now.
Tell you. So after that, you guys go into some happy phase. You know what I'm saying? After you cry for a second, you just feel pain. Process the pain, not even just feel and process the pain. My bro. Give us some. For the next 3 minutes. Back and you get semen or wine. Hey, mama, in the beginning of our story, we'll be best in love, you know. For life, we don't go hurt ourselves, you know. Man, you can move. As if I thought I was evil, you can move. And I tell you, I'm fresh, can't wait, no sweetness, more than you know. Do you know your sweetness? Oh, great man, I am you know. I am Shakunet Lion, I wanna want you home. That young, you know. Why you know? I am Shakunet Lion, I wanna want you home. That young, you know. Why you know? Do you know you are my one even? Oh, wait, man, I goes in my room.